Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Suji cake in a Katori. Very easy and quick recipe. This is an eggless and butter-free recipe, so definitely a very healthy recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add quarter cup of curd, quarter cup of regular cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of sugar, a cup of suji or semolina, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon of baking powder, and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure it's lump-free. Now all the ingredients are well mixed, so let this rest for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's give it a quick mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. This is just to correct the consistency. Now our batter is ready. Today I've taken 2 katoris, grease it well with ghee and fill in the batter until 3/4. Don't fill it full, it'll overflow while cooking. Top it with some candied cherries. Heat a kadai, place a stand and place both the katoris and close it with a lid. Make sure the lid has no gaps. Let this cook for half an hour in low flame. It's been half an hour now, so let's open and check. The Suji cake is nice and soft. Give it a 10 minutes rest time. It's been 10 minutes now, so remove from the katori. You can enjoy it right away, super soft and moist. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.